Students, in our previous class, we have studied about the present indefinite tense. We have studied how to make simple sentence and how to make negative and interrogative sentence in our previous two classes. Okay, and today we are going to start to learn about the past indefinite tense. We will study today that how to form past indefinite tense and how to form past indefinite negative sentences and how to form past indefinite interrogative sentences. Okay, let's start. Students, past indefinite indicates that the action described in a sentence has happened before. Means the action that have happened in past tense, in previous time, in past time. This the actions which had completed in past time. So we will describe that sentence in past indefinite tense and is not a current happening. Means the sentence past indefinite shows the happening is not a current event. Okay. So the action that has completed in the past tense, that is shown in or form in past indefinite tense. Okay, and the structure of the past indefinite sentence will be subject plus verb second form plus object. Subject, verb second form and object. Students, remember one thing here: verbs second form is used to show past indefinite tense. The verb second form shows that the event has completed and the happening is completed. The any work which has completed in past time, we will show it with verb second form. Okay, and the example of past indefinite tense are: she watched television. She watched means dekha. So she had watched in past, in yesterday or in today's morning, but now she is not watching TV. She has watched TV in previous time. Okay, and the second sentence: I wrote articles on different topics. I wrote article. I wrote article means I, he, she. We may use any pronoun here. Okay, I wrote. The second form of write is wrote is the second form of write, and we have used here wrote to show the past indefinite tense. I wrote articles on different topics. Okay, and the third example is: he went to library yesterday. Means he has went to library in previous time. Now he is not going to library. Now he doesn't go to library. He has gone to library in past time. Okay, so went is the second form of go. That's clear. Okay, now we move on and we will learn about how to form negative sentence in past indefinite tense. Okay, students, structure of past indefinite negative sentence is subject plus did not plus verbs first form plus object. Student, remember one thing here, that to form past indefinite negative sentence we have to use did plus not. Okay, did is the helping verb and did is the second form of do helping verb, and we will use here the second form of do helping verb. Okay, did not plus verbs form. Student, remember one thing also, that with do, does, did, they takes with it the root form of the verb. No second form, no ses added with do, does or did. Okay, so here we are using did and we will use verb's root form, or we will use first form of the verb. Okay, the structure of the negative sentence in past indefinite tense is subject plus did not plus verb's first form and then at last object. Okay, that's clear. Now we will see some examples of past indefinite negative sentences. He did not abuse me. And the second example is Radha did not dance. Means in past time she has not danced. Okay, I did not read this book. So these are the examples of past indefinite negative sentences. Now we will move on to interrogative sentences. Students, what's the structure of interrogative sentence in past indefinite tense? First of all, we will put did at the starting of the sentence, and after that we will put subject, and after that we will place verbs first form and object, and at last we will put question mark. Students, remember one thing, that the question mark is necessary to use at last of the sentence in interrogative sentence. Okay, did plus subject plus verbs first form plus object and at last question mark. Okay, the example of past indefinite interrogative sentences are did you remember me? Did, first upon all we have to put did, and after that subject you, and after that verbs first form remember, and at last the object, and at last of all we have to put question mark at the end of the sentence. Did you consult my father? Did, first upon all we have to put did, and then after subject you, and after that consult verbs first form, and at last we will use my father, object of the sentence, and at last we will put a question mark here. Okay, so don't forget to use question mark in the sentence of interrogative sentence. Okay, students, that's all we have learnt today, that how to form past indefinite sentences, simple sentences, and past indefinite negative sentences, and past indefinite interrogative sentences. Now I will give you some sentence for your practice, and you have to complete that sentences and send it to group. Okay, students, this is exercise for your homework. You have to fill in the blanks with suitable forms of the verb to form past indefinite tense given below. Okay, you have to form simple sentences. You have to fill in the blank. You have to fill in the blank simple sentences to form the simple sentence, and you have to fill in the blank to form negative sentences, and you have to fill in the blank to form interrogative sentences. Students, I have already told you that how to form simple, negative and interrogative sentences, so I think you would not face a difficulty. And students, complete this exercise and take a click and send it to WhatsApp group. Okay, that's all for today. Have a nice day.